Finding the right job on LinkedIn can feel overwhelming, especially when there are hundreds of applicants for every role. But the truth is, most people don't know how to apply perfectly and stand out. Today, I'll share with you some simple yet powerful steps to apply for jobs on LinkedIn the right way. First, always make sure your profile is updated. A professional photo, a strong headline, and a clear summary can make recruiters notice you instantly. Think of your LinkedIn profile as your digital CV. It should highlight your skills, experiences, and achievements. Next, use filters while searching for jobs. Instead of just typing a job title, use filters like location, remote opportunities, company size, and especially the date posted filter. Applying to jobs posted in the last 24 hours increases your chances because you'll be among the first applicants. Another important tip is to customize your resume and cover letter for every job. Recruiters can easily spot a generic application. Mention the company name, the role you're applying for, and show that you understand their values. Don't forget to engage with the recruiter or hiring manager. After applying, you can politely connect with them on LinkedIn and write a short message like, "Hello, I just applied for this role and I'm really excited about the opportunity to contribute." This shows initiative and professionalism. Finally, stay consistent. Set job alerts so you never miss new postings. Even if you face rejection, remember every application improves your skills. LinkedIn is a powerful tool, but only if you use it the right way. So apply smartly, stay professional, and keep pushing forward. The perfect job might be just one click away. Watch the full video and follow the steps and tips.